So in this video, we'll start with the next chapter, that's nothing but chapter 9, differential equations here. Okay, so under this lesson also few topics are omitted here, but anyhow we'll start with the first topic here. How to find out the order of a differential equation, how do you find out the degree of a differential equation here. Okay, so what is the order of a differential equation and what is the degree of the differential equation? The order is nothing but the order of the highest order derivative. For example, if I have an equation like d squared y by dx squared plus dy by dx I have here. Okay, so this is an example of a differential equation. So what's a differential equation? It's nothing but an equation which involves only derivatives. That only we call it as a differential equation here. So here in this case, what is the order you get here? It's nothing but it is of second order. So which is the highest order you get here? It's nothing but 2. So what is the order of this differential equation? It's nothing but equal to 2. Okay, so this is how you find the order of a differential equation. The next one is the degree of a differential equation. How do you find the degree of the differential equation? The power of the highest order derivative. So what is the power of the highest order derivative? In this equation, if you see here, you have it as d cube by y by dx cube plus dy by dx whole square plus 4y equal to 0 you get here. So what is the highest order you get here? It's nothing but 3. What is the power of this highest order? It's nothing but equal to 1. So thus you say that the degree of this equation is equal to 1 and the order is nothing but equal to 3. So that is what you have under this exercise 9.1, how to find out the order and how do you find out the degree of the equation. Okay, so determine exercise 9.1, determine the degree and the order. So the first one is d power 4 y by dx power 4 plus sine of y triple dash. What is your y triple dash? It's nothing but equal to d cube y by dx cube. That's what I mean by saying. So which is the highest order you get here? It's nothing but equal to 4. So what is the degree of this highest order here? It's nothing but equal to 1. So the degree is equal to 1. Okay. Now the second one, y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. What do you mean by saying y dash? It's nothing but dy by dx. What is the first order you get here? What is the order here? Order is nothing but equal to 1. What is the degree here? The degree is also nothing but equal to 1. The third one, you have it as ds by dt the whole power 4 plus 3s into d squared s by dt squared is equal to 0. This is what you have here. So what is the highest order you have here? The order is nothing but equal to 2. What is the degree here? What is the degree of the highest order? It's nothing but equal to 1. So your degree is nothing but equal to 1 here. Got it? Yes, so fourth question, it's d squared y by dx squared the whole squared plus cos of dy by dx is equal to 0. So what is the highest order you get here? Second order derivative. So the order is equal to 2. And what is the power of this highest order you get here? It's nothing but equal to 2. So what will I write here? Degree is nothing but equal to 2 here. Okay. Now coming over to the sixth one here. So what is the sixth question you get here? It's y cube the whole square plus y double dash the whole cube plus y dash power 4 plus y power 5 is equal to 0. So you know, seeing this, which is the highest order you get here? 3. Okay, so order is equal to 3. And what is the degree or the power of this one here? It's nothing but equal to 2. So the degree is equal to 2. Now the seventh question, y triple dash is equal to 2y double dash plus y dash is equal to 0 you get. So what is the order of this equation here? Order is nothing but equal to 3 you get here. And what is the degree of this equation here? The degree is nothing but equal to 1. You understood? Same way, the ninth question, y double dash plus y dash the whole square plus 2y is equal to 0 you get. So what is the highest order you get here? Highest order is nothing but 2. And what is the degree of this equation? It's nothing but equal to 1. So here in this exercise, as I told you earlier, it's nothing but finding the degree and the order of the differential equation. So such type of questions can be asked under 1 mark. Okay, under the MCQs or it can be under fill-ups or anything. How do you find the order and the degree of a differential equation? Yes, now here we'll start with exercise 9.2. So exercise 9.2, it's a very easy one here, as we did under exercise 5.7. What did we do there actually? Here you found out the second order derivative, no, somewhat similar to that only here. Verify that the given function is a solution of the corresponding differential equations. I'll have to verify. So what is a function I'll have to verify here? I'll have to verify if y is equal to e power x plus 1 and y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0. That is, I'll have to verify whether this is said to be a solution of this differential equation. So what do you mean by saying a solution of a differential equation? When I find out y dash, y double dash and substitute it, I must get it to be equal to 0. That is what I mean by saying to verify. Okay, so I'll just write the given curve here. So what is a given curve you get here? Y is equal to e power x plus 1, and now you differentiate it with respect to x. What will I get? Y dash is equal to e power x you get. What is your y double dash equal to here? Your y double dash is nothing but equal to e power x itself. When you substitute it here, you will have it as y double dash minus y dash is equal to e power x minus e power x. That's nothing but equal to 0. Got it? So I can say that your y equal to e power x plus 1 is said to be a solution of the differential equation. Is it clear? For example, if I have an equation like this, x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. I say that your x is equal to minus 1. It is said to be a solution, means what does it mean? It will satisfy 1 minus 3 plus 2. What is it equal to here? It's equal to 0. The same way only you have under a differential equation. Got it? Now the second question, y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus c and y dash minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the equation you get here? Y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus c. Now differentiated with respect to x, you will get it as y dash is equal to 2x plus 2. So you will have y dash minus 2x minus 2. What is your y dash equal to here? Your y dash is nothing but equal to 2x plus 2 minus 2x minus 2 you get here. 2x and this minus gets cancelled. 2 and minus 2 also gets cancelled. What's the answer you get here? It is equal to 0. Therefore, what can I say? Your y equal to x squared plus 2x plus c is nothing but a solution of y dash minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. You understood? Yes. Now the third question, y is equal to cos x plus c and y dash plus sin x is equal to 0. So what is your y equal to here? It is cos x plus c. Now differentiated with respect to x. So I'll have to substitute it in this equation. To substitute it, I need to find out what is y dash. What is your y dash equal to? Differentiation of cos x is nothing but minus sin x plus differentiating constant will give you nothing but 0. So what is y dash plus sin x equal to? Your y dash is nothing but equal to minus sin x plus sin x, which is equal to 0. Therefore, I can say y equal to cos x plus c is nothing but a solution of y dash plus sin x is equal to 0. The fourth question, y is equal to root of 1 plus x squared and y dash is equal to xy by 1 plus x squared. So I'll have to show that this is said to be a solution of this. In other words, I must check whether your y dash is equal to xy by 1 plus x squared. So for that, I need to find out y dash. What is your y dash here? Differentiating it with respect to x. What will you get? Your y dash is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus x squared, the whole power minus 1 by 2 into differentiation of 1 plus x squared is nothing but 2x. So here if you see, your 2 and 2 gets cancelled. You are left with x by root of 1 plus x squared. Okay. Now what is your RHS equal to here? Your RHS is nothing but xy by 1 plus x squared. Substitute the value of y. What will you get when you substitute the value of y? It is x into root of 1 plus x squared divided by 1 plus x squared. So when you rationalize this, you will have it as x by root of 1 plus x squared. So what is your LHS here? It's nothing but the same as the RHS. Therefore, I can say your y equal to root of 1 plus x squared is nothing but a solution of the given differential equation. Yes? Okay. Now the fifth question, y is equal to ax and xy dash is equal to y. So I'll have to check whether y is equal to ax is said to be a solution of xy dash is equal to y. So as told earlier, what is needed here? I need to find out what is your xy dash. So we'll first find out what is y dash here. Y is equal to ax. When you differentiate it with respect to x, what will you get? Y dash is equal to a. So what is your x into y dash here? Your x into y dash is nothing but equal to x into a. That you get it as a into x. What is ax equal to here? Your ax is nothing but equal to y. So you can say that your y is equal to ax is said to be a solution of xy dash is equal to y. Got it? Yes. Now the sixth question, y is equal to x sin x and xy dash is equal to y plus x into square root of x squared minus y squared. So I'll have to show whether this is said to be a solution of this differential equation. Xy dash is equal to y plus x into square root of x squared minus y squared. So first of all, we'll find out what is y dash. Y equal to x into sin x. now differentiate it with respect to x. So when I differentiate it with respect to x, what will I get here actually here? What is your dy by dx equal to your y dash? What is your dy by dx here? Your y dash is nothing but equal to, so here it is equal to, what will I have actually here? In this case, what will I have here? It is the, I have to apply the UV rule here. It is x into cos x, okay, x into cos x plus sin x into differentiation of x here. So what is differentiation of x here? It's nothing but equal to 1, okay. So here I have found out what is y dash. But what do I need here actually? Here I need what is x into y dash. So we'll find out what is x into y dash, which is equal to x into x cos x plus, so here it is x into x cos x plus sin x, which is equal to x squared into cos x plus x into sin x. But if you see, my answer is in terms of y and x actually here. So here in this case, I will write this cos x as x squared into square root of 1 minus sin squared x plus, what will I get here? X into sin x. That's nothing but equal to y. So x squared into square root of, what is your sin here? From the question I can write here, your sin x is nothing but equal to y by x. This is what you have here. When I substitute it, you will have it as x squared into square root of 1 minus y squared by x squared plus y you get here. So x squared into square root of, cross multiplying it, it's x squared minus y squared divided by x squared plus a constant. So here square root of x squared is nothing but x. And this x squared, it gets cancelled here. So finally you are left with what actually here? Your x y dash is equal to x into square root of x squared minus y squared plus y. Okay. The eighth question, y minus cos y is equal to x and y sin y plus cos y plus x into y dash is equal to y. I'll have to check whether it is said to be a solution of this equation here. So as usual, we'll find out what is your y dash here. So what is your y dash here? It's differentiating it with respect to x, your y dash, because differentiation of y will give you nothing but dy by dx. Differentiation of cos y is nothing but minus sin y. So minus sin into minus is plus sin y into y dash, which is equal to 1. So we'll just find out what is y dash here. I'll take y dash common here, into 1 plus sin y is equal to 1. So what will I get here? Your y dash is equal to 1 by 1 plus sin y. Okay. Now you found out what is y dash. I'll just substitute it in this equation and check if it is equal to y here. Okay. So when I substitute it, we'll see what you get here. It's y sin y plus cos y plus x into 1 by 1 plus sin y. What is your x equal to here? Your x is nothing but equal to the question itself, y minus cos y. So I'll just substitute that here. So when I substitute that, y sin y plus cos y plus y minus cos y into 1 by 1 plus sin y. So what will happen here? It gets cancelled. I can take y common here, y into 1 plus sin y divided by 1 plus sin y you get here. This gets cancelled. What's the answer you get here? It is equal to y. So you will have y minus cos y equal to x is nothing but a solution of y sin y plus cos y plus x into y dash is equal to y. Now here the ninth one, x plus y is equal to tan inverse of y and y squared y dash plus y squared plus 1 is equal to 0. So I'll have to check whether this function is said to be a solution of this differential equation. So we'll find out what is y dash here. So for that I'll have to differentiate it with respect to x here. Differentiation of x is nothing but 1 plus what will you get here? Y dash, which is equal to differentiation of tan inverse of y. So that's nothing but 1 by 1 plus y square into differentiation of y. Differentiation of implicit function, I hope you remember. It's nothing but into, what will I get here? It's nothing but y dash. It's your dy by dx. Now I'll segregate my y dash here. Taking it to the other side, you will have it as 1 equal to y dash by 1 plus y squared minus y dash, which is equal to y dash into 1 by 1 plus y squared minus 1. So what will you get here? Y dash into, cross multiplying it, it's 1 minus y squared divided by 1 plus y squared. So your 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled here. So you're left with y dash is equal to, when I take it to the other side, it's 1 plus y squared by minus y squared, which is equal to minus of 1 plus y squared divided by y squared. Got it? Now we'll just write the left hand side here. What's the left hand side? Y squared into y dash plus y squared plus 1. Okay, we'll just substitute it there. So LHS is equal to y squared into y dash plus y squared plus 1 is equal to y squared into, what is your y dash here? Minus into 1 plus y squared divided by y squared plus what will you get here? It's y squared plus 1. So here it gets cancelled, which is equal to minus 1 minus y squared plus y squared plus 1. What's the answer you get here? It is equal to 0. Therefore, you will say that your x plus y equal to tan inverse of y is said to be a solution of y squared y dash plus y squared plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now, similarly, we'll do the 10th one here. Y is equal to square root of a squared minus x squared and x plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Again, I'll have to show that it is said to be a solution of this equation. I have written the question here and then differentiating it with respect to x. I'll have to differentiate it by the chain rule. So what will I have? Dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into a squared minus x squared the whole power minus 1 by 2 into differentiation of a squared minus x squared is nothing but equal to minus 2x. So here if you see your 2 and 2 gets cancelled, you're left with minus x divided by square root of a squared minus x squared. Okay, now substitute it here. X plus y into dy by dx is equal to x plus y into, what is this you have here? It's minus x divided by square root of a squared minus x squared. This is what you have here. Now here in this case it is x plus y into minus x divided by, what is this actually here? It's nothing but your question itself, y here. So here it gets cancelled. You will get x minus x is equal to 0. Therefore, I can say that y is equal to square root of a squared minus x squared is said to be a solution of x plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0.